Hey everyone, it's Hannah here from Sheet Leveler, and today I'm going to show you a super handy trick in Excel, how to perform calculations that add up values from different sheets all at once. Imagine you've got monthly sales reports on separate sheets, January, February, March, and so on, and you want to see the total sales for the whole year in one summary sheet. Trust me, this little trick will save you so much time. In my example, I have a sales report for each month in its own sheet. Now, on my summary sheet, I want to add up those monthly sales figures to get one big total. There are a couple of ways to do this, but I'll start with the quickest method that I personally love because it's so neat and tidy. First up, go to your summary sheet where you want your total to appear. Now click on the AutoSum button on the Home tab of your ribbon. That's the little sigma symbol. Or, if you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts like me, press Alt plus equals on your keyboard to activate AutoSum. This is where the magic happens. You're going to type this formula exactly like this. Apostrophe asterisk apostrophe exclamation mark B2. Let me say that slowly so you can follow. Apostrophe asterisk apostrophe exclamation mark B2. Here's what that means. The apostrophes and asterisk tell Excel, look at all sheets between these two. The exclamation mark points to the cell you want to add up. In this case, cell B2 on each sheet. After you press Enter, Excel does the work and adds up the values in cell B2 from all your monthly sheets, January through to December. Here's the cool part. If you drag that formula down or across in your summary sheet, it automatically adjusts to sum the corresponding cells from all the sheets. So, it works beautifully for all your different sales numbers. Now, if writing formulas isn't your favourite thing, there's a second way that's just as quick. Start with AutoSum again in your summary sheet. Then, instead of typing the formula, click on the first sheet tab you want to include in your total, say January. Hold down Shift on your keyboard and click on the last sheet tab you want, like December. This selects all sheets between January and December. Finally, click the cell you want to sum on those sheets, like B2, and press Enter. Excel will add up the values from that cell across all the sheets, just like before. And you can drag the formula down and across your summary table. Go ahead and pause the video now to try this yourself on your Excel file. I promise, it's a great way to really get the hang of it. If you give it a try, I'd love to hear how it went in the comments below. If you found this useful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy Excel tutorials coming your way.